just through being in nature, our mind frees. The space around us provides us with such an amazing energy that just through being there in nature, we feel freedom within us. But sometimes we have some concerns that are in the way, that stop us from feeling the freedom nature provides. So we have to free some blockages that are within us to experience what nature offers to us for free. And so we can go out into nature and just let go of all concerns that we have within us. We do not have to become aware of all the concerns. We just let them go. And we let them flow out of our body, out of our head and hands and arms, out of the whole body. All concerns flow away. Just imagine it that way and it will happen so. After this, you will already feel more relaxed, but you can go even deeper. You can imagine that the air of nature moves through your body and blows away all blockages and concerns that are within you. This is so amazing. You have to try it. Stop trying to understand what I'm talking right now. It will just lead to confusion. But you can try it for yourself. Just imagine the air or the wind blows away all concerns and blockages, blows it all out of your body. And then, more and more, you will become more mindful, more conscious. And then, I invite you to be grateful. Grateful for what you see, for what you perceive. Grateful that you can be in such an amazing nature. And grateful that you are healthy and that you are able to spend time in nature. Through being grateful, you will become aware of the huge gift we have. And just these 3 little things will help you to really arrive in nature. I will summarize them in the short way. You let go of all of your concerns and you allow them to flow out of your body. Then you let the air and the wind blow away the rest of the concerns you have. And then you are grateful to be in such an amazing place. It is such an amazing thing you can do when you go out into nature at the weekend. Just try it out for yourself. You will be amazed. See you soon.